Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we have a math Olympiad equation to solve. It's an exponential math Olympiad equation. Okay, so let's solve it. We have 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x is equal to 120. And we're asked to find the value of x in this equation. Now, when you're dealing with an equation like this, the first thing to do is to ask yourself, what is on this left hand side? How can I maneuver it to solve this equation? Now looking at it, you see that you have 8 to the power of x and 8 to the power of x. We can open this up by bringing out 8 to the power of x as a common factor on the left hand side. Okay, so let's do that. Solution: 8 to the power of x is what is common on the left hand side. So bring it out. This into this is going to give you 1, plus this into this is going to give you 1, and that's equal to 120. Okay, now let's add what is in the bracket, because when you're dealing with equations, you handle what is in the bracket first before you deal with any other part of that equation. So let's do that. We have 8 to the power of x multiplied by 1 plus 1 will give you 2, that's equal to 120. Now at this point we're looking for the value of x, so let's divide both sides by 2. So we say divide both sides by 2. Okay, so we have 8 to the power of x multiplied by 2, divide here by 2 is equal to 120, divide here by 2. Now you can see that 2 can cancel 2, and when you cancel 120 by 2, you have 1 here, you have 6 and 0. So this becomes 8 to the power of x is equal to 60. Okay, so guys, now this is 8, and you can write this as the multiples of 2, which would be 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 2 to the power of 3. Count these 2's here, you have 1, 2, 3. That means that is why we have the 3 here. Okay, so let's rewrite this. We have 2 to the power of 3, x is equal to 16. Now, applying exponential rule, we can multiply this power, so it becomes 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 60. Now, we are looking for the value of x. So the next step here is to do what? Take the log of both sides. So we write take log of both sides to have log 2 to the power of 3x is equal to log 16. Okay, so guys, if you are just joining for the first time and you like how I'm solving this, please give me a thumbs up. Help me by sharing this video to your friends and your loved ones that you know that they would find this math solving very useful. Don't forget to drop a comment as well. Thank you. Okay, now we apply another exponential rule. When you have an equation like you have a to the power of x, and we're asked to take the log of take logs of this equation, it will be written as what? X log a. So the power is going to come here, and this other part will become log of that number. So for this is going to be 3x log 2, that is equal to log 16. Okay, now don't forget we're looking for the value of x. So we divide both sides by log 2. All right, we'll have 3x log 2, divide here by log 2, that's equal to log 60, divide here by log 2. Log 2 can cancel log 2, that's 1. So we know that we can rewrite 60 as what? 30 multiplied by 2. So the trick is always find a number that that the denominator carries, so that when you multiply that number by another number, it will give you the numerator. So here you have 30 multiplied by 2 will give you 60. So now let's replace 30 as 30. Let's replace 60 as 30 times 2. Okay, so we have 3x is equal to log 30 multiplied by 2. Okay, all over log 2. Now when you have another thing like when you have log a multiplied by b, is the same thing as log a plus log b. All right, so this becomes 3x is equal to log 30 plus log 2 all over log 2. Now, this denominator is for both 30 and log 2. Okay, so plus log 2. Log 2 cancel log 2, we have 1. Then we left with what? That's equal to log 30 over log 2 plus 1. Now, we go again. 3x is equal to, now we can also write this 30 as 2 multiplied by 15 will give us 30. So let's write that log 15 multiplied by log 2 all over log 2 plus 1. So now this becomes log 15 plus log 2 all over log 2 all over log 2 plus 1. Log 2 cancel log 2, we have another 1. So this 3x is now log 15 over log 2. 1 plus 1, that is what? 2. So let's do a change of base in this equation at this point. When you have log a over log b is the same thing as log a to the base b. So at this point, you can change the base of this logarithm to the denominator. So now we'll have 3x is equal to log 15 base 2 plus 2. And let's bring the constants to this other side, so which is 2 plus log 15 base 2. Let's divide both sides by x, divide both sides by 3, because we're looking for the value of x. So we have 3x over 3 is equal to 2 plus log 15 base 2 over 3. 3 cancel 3, so therefore x is equal to 2 plus log 15 base 2 all over 3. This is our answer. Please don't leave the video yet. Let's do a verification and see if we got our answer correctly. Okay, so our initial equation is a to the power of x plus a to the power of x is equal to 120. Now I want to check if this is correct. So this is a check. So we have a to the power of x, open bracket 1 plus 1, that is equal to 120. A to the power of x multiplied by 2 is equal to 120. Divide both sides by 2, you have that a to the power of x is equal to 60. Let's rewrite this in the power of 2. We have 2 to the power of 3, x is equal to 60. Now, our x is what? X is equal to 2 plus log 15 base 2 all over 3. So, 2 plus log. We are plugging the value of our x in this place to know if the answer is actually correct. All over 3. Is it equal to 60? So this is over 1. 3 can cancel 3. So we have now that 2 to the power of 2 plus log 15 base 2 is equal to 16. Don't forget, when you have a to the power of, so when you have a to the power of m plus n, is the same thing as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Okay, now you have plus here, so this becomes 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 15 base 2. Is it equal to 60? 0 should be here. So 2 squared is going to give you what? 4, which is 2 times 2, multiplied by 2 to the power of log 15 base 2. Now, because we have base, our logarithm here to be base 2, and we have 2 here, this will cancel each other out. So we now have 15 is equal to 16. 15 times 4 is what? It's going to give us 16, and that is equal to 50. So from this, we can see that our left hand value is the same thing as our right hand value. Therefore, the value of x, 2 plus log 15 base 2 all over 3 is equal to, is correct. Bye bye. See you in my next video.